think we were a very early adopter with it, so we really went through the premium part of it. We then moved into the Pulse side of things, and I think that the big changer has been the Pulse part of it. I mean, literally just the other day, I had somebody who gave me a score of, whilst it was a pretty positive score still, at 8 and a 4.2. They asked to be able to be contacted by the leadership team, and immediately I was able to go back and be able to respond to their questions. I think QBRs, as we heard today, these are the times that you only meet your clients potentially in that sort of environment just 4 times in a year. And they are so valuable to us. But it's not just about being able to go in and do a QBR. It's about actually making that really effective. It's about ensuring that you're recording what you're doing in there and taking the actions. And that's the bit that the undeniable point of what Clientshare really brings into that gives us, and make sure that they are those valuable meetings for us.